What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use Robinhood for trading crypto. All right, so Robinhood recently opened up the crypto portion of their app to pretty much every state. You can actually check their website out and it'll show you, every state that's available. Now, there are going to be a few that aren't, but for the most part, they're doing pretty well with having this opened up to every state in the U.S. I'm also going to show you a couple different alternatives to, crypto trading if you don't want to do it on Robinhood. But, let's check it out. Let's get into it because, I think a lot of people out there are thinking about getting into the crypto game, in 2019 right now and beyond. Okay, currently, this is pretty much where I'm at. I've got a couple thousand in this account, not a whole lot of money or anything. But if you wanted to get into trading crypto, literally, you can just search for Bitcoin. And then you can click show more for the cryptocurrencies here, and it's going to pull up a list of what's available on here. Now, I think the platform obviously is going to be the same as trading stocks with how everything looks. I like that it's in purple. It's pretty cool, but let's just click on Bitcoin, for example, here. All right, so similar to the stock trading portion of Robinhood, you can pull up different, graphs on here. You can do a 1 year, a 5 year, a 1 month, a 1 week, and then of course you can hover your finger over the prices. It's also got the candlestick charts, which show the buying and selling, which is really cool. And that's pretty much it for as far as how things look. The downside to doing the crypto portion on here is that they don't have a lot of coins available. There's only a few. I mean, you can scroll down the list here. The basic ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. They've got Dogecoin on here, which I definitely would stay away from, and a couple others. But there's a lot of watch-only options on here. You can actually still check them out as far as the price graphs, but you can't buy them, which sucks. So anyways, that's pretty much it for the crypto portion on Robinhood. It's not complicated at all. You could buy a little bit of this stuff if you want, or you can check out a couple of my other recommendations, which I really want to push everybody towards because you can definitely do some, more damage and try to make some more money for sure. Now, we're going to check out Coinbase and Binance. Now, Coinbase, first off, is basically going to be very similar to Robinhood for trading crypto. They've got the major ones on here, like obviously Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, etc. But if you want to get into, trading more coins, my recommendation would be to sign up for Binance. Now, you're going to need a Coinbase account to transfer money into Binance, but Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world right now. And this is where you can do, some serious trading. Right now, Binance has got over 100 different coins you can trade. It's very analytical, even more analytical than, trading on Robinhood. Now, you can pull up 24-hour price changes on these coins. You can pull up the last price, which will show you the most expensive to the least expensive. You can pull up the name and volume of the coins that are, up there. And honestly, there's coins in here that I've thought about buying in the past, but I haven't. I thought about buying Neo and putting a bunch of money into there. I thought about buying IOTA and putting a bunch of money into here, and I still might. I think things are probably going to go back up with with some of these coins over the next 12 months. So I am considering, throwing some serious money into some of these. Anyways, when you click on it, you can pull up candlestick charts which show the buying and selling. You could set up alerts down here, so if you want to set up a price alert if it drops or goes higher, you could do that as well. And then if you wanted to buy, you'd literally just type in the amount you want to buy, click done, and then you would own some of these coins. It's really that easy. Now, like I said, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world right now, and if you want to get seriously into the crypto thing, I think Robinhood is just getting started with it, but right now you're not going to find a better platform for doing it than Binance. You will need a Coinbase account in order to transfer money in and out of Binance. So if you check both those out and you're still doing some of your stock trading on Robinhood and then you mix it up with these two apps, I mean, it's a winning strategy. I've done really well on Binance, even though things kind of tanked recently. I haven't done too many trades, but I'm definitely up quite a bit of money over the last 12 months, not only on Robinhood, but definitely on Binance and Coinbase for sure. But I mean, you need to be using Coinbase in order to get money into Binance. That's kind of a necessity. You need a wallet. And I recommend Coinbase because they insure your money up to $250,000. And they're used by over 20 million people. And of course, this is what I do. So anyways, I will have links in the description if you want to sign up for any of these, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up below. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all later.